Okay, so moving on, we are going to learn about the update statement. Now, what update statement does? Basically, like the name says, it will update an existing value. Now, let me select here from city my table. Now, let's say I want to update only this value in my city column. So how would I do this? I'm going to put here the general syntax, update table name, set new column name value, the value, and then you will need to put a where clause, where condition. So let's try to update this row. So I'm going to put update city table, set city, because city is the column name, equals with value. Let's say I have changed the first row, and now I need to put the condition. What is the condition? Where city ID is equal with 1, and obviously semicolon. So I'm going to fire this, and you can see here that I have update 1. So let me fire the select star from city, and you can see here that Postgres has put it on the bottom of my rows, but that is because I have a trigger in a last update column, but don't try to understand it now. Anyway, you can see here that I have this city, this row, and I have this value changed. And what this is basically the update statement. Now I'm going to do something very, very dangerous, and which is I'm going to fire this command, but without the where clause. What do you think is going to happen? Because we don't have a where clause, Postgres is going to update all of my rows in the city table and on the column term with this value. So if you want, you can do this. If not, it's okay. So let me just put here, and you can see here that I have updated all the rows in my table. So if I'm going to select star from city, you can see here that I have my city column changed in all of the rows. Now you can imagine in a real application this is disastrous. This is very bad, very dangerous, because let's say that you have an application that displays all the city names, and now you will have only one city name for every city in your application. So that's why I wanted to show you, always when you use the update statement, try to remember to use the where clause. If you don't use the where clause, Postgres or your database is going to update the specific value in all the rows in your table, and you don't want that, because trust me, you can't change it back. Only if you have backups, and don't rely on backups, because maybe you won't be the person who will be responsible for that. So try to remember on update clause and also on delete clause when we learn this, always use the where condition.